making a bristle bot, you're going to need a toothbrush, googly eyes, foam tape, a coin battery, electrical tape, hot glue, a vibration motor, a connector, and scissors, or some other kind of cutting device. Today's helpers are Sophie and AJ. Sophie was cute. AJ was helpful because he knows how to use electricity. Alright, let's get started. Let's cut the top of the toothbrush off. The bristles on the toothbrush will be your feet. I'm going to hot glue some eyeballs onto the creature so that way I can anamorphize it. Prepare the connector by exposing more of the wires by just cutting off some of the rubber bits. AJ did that because he knew to do that. Right now I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put my coin cell battery and where I'm going to put my motor. I'm going to put the exposed ends of the wires onto the coin battery, making sure that the red side goes onto the positive and the blue side goes onto the negative. And then when I put the tape on, I'm going to stretch it as much as I can so that way it really gets on there tight. Electrical tape will actually stretch out, or at least that's what I've been told. That leaves the connector is where we're going to pop in those motors. So here I am testing it. Okay, so I don't have to put that in right now, right? But we're going to glue these things. Is it too short of a thing? Or is it going to work? It does work. I put the foam tape on so that way there's something sticky for the coin cell to go onto. The motor actually has something sticky already on it, but it doesn't hurt to have extra sticky. He's always losing an eye. I would do that a couple more times. So now I put the motor on, have the connectors in. I don't have them totally connected. I leave the blue wire as the one that can be popped in and out. And there she is.
Oh no, he's talking. Oh no, is he just sitting with the cracks?
I think so. Here.
Look at him go!
I wanted to see if Mr. BristleBot would make art. First I wanted to do with watercolors, and then AJ was like, no, do it with acrylics. So I took out the acrylic paints that we had. I wanted to do purple, because of course I wanted to do purple. Dipped him in, and it kind of worked. What happens is the paint kind of glues the bristles together, and it doesn't work as well. So I created a little bit of abstract art before I got frustrated with how little it was painting. Decided to try the watercolors like I originally wanted to do. Clean the bristles, and watercolors was worse. So then I just bristled him a little bit more. Trimmed his bristles themselves to make him go different directions. It was a lot of fun.